Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. Good day, depending on where you're watching from. My name is Ojidi Patrick, and this is the Ask GD channel. Today, we're going to be looking at affiliate marketing, and specifically, we're going to be looking at how you can use owodaily to be able to kickstart, get leads, get subscribers, get followers for your Instagram page and all that. And this niche is a very hot niche because a lot of people want followers on their Instagram. A lot of people want real people to follow them, especially on YouTube. YouTube subscribing is a huge industry, and I would like you to look at it. And this is one solution that I've seen that it's very good, guys. I just started my YouTube channel, and I have been able to go from zero in a few days to about 200 followers. And I can tell you that more than 50% of that, came from this particular um, channel that I'm about to show you, Owo Daily. It's an amazing channel. It works wonderful. Now, I just go right to the channel now, just show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what Owo Daily looks like. So it's um a membership platform where only members will be able to log in, and it's very easy to be a member. You just register with 3,000 naira. If you want to register, I'll leave a link in the description. And guys, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this video, and just show me some love. So basically, once you come here, you see that let me show you something here. You see this part of this place. This is where you're going to click. Once you click this place, let's say you want to even come here, because as a member you can also come here and do some jobs. You can click on this place that it says available jobs, and you'll see jobs that you can apply for. So some of these jobs require that you sign up for app. Some of them require that you like, follow people and all that. You can also post your own jobs. Now you come here and see finished jobs. These are jobs that you have done from the platform. So you see, these are some of the jobs that I have done. And then this is where I'm interested in, guys. This place where it says my job. Now, this is a job I posted here. So you see that I posted this job, and I wanted 100 people to come do this job, and I was only paying 15 naira per person. Guys, can you beat that? 15 naira per person. And I was able to gain this number of subscribers in a very short time. And I feel that this thing was magic. Like, it wasn't up to an hour that it happened. After I've given it update so that you can see that this is a potential opportunity for you to make free money out there. You can approach a lot of people who want their YouTube subscribers to go up, and you can offer them these services at, let's say, 20 naira or more. There are people who are willing to pay like that, 20 naira per person, and this could be a potential money spinner for you if you have a lot of people, because the truth is, as many as you bring on this platform, in a matter of seconds they are going to shoot their channel to whatever number of subscribers that you want them to get to. So I want you to look into this and see this as a potential way of making money in this 2022. It's going to change everything that you have known and understood about how you can get subscribers and get followers, get likes, and all that on social media. So I want you to go ahead and try it, guys. And remember to subscribe to my channel. If you want to get on this platform, I'll be leaving my link below. Follow the link and subscribe to this platform. It's going to be amazing. Trust me, I've experienced it, and I wasn't even expecting it to be that fast, and I got results very fast. So thank you, guys. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment, and just encourage us and let us keep pushing things forward.